i35equipment.com. This is the Case 850L Bulldozer. Does have the full cab with sweeps, rear window screen guard, factory AC and heat, rear hydraulic rippers. Those rippers do have the 3 teeth, or shanks if you'd like to call them that. You see them going down there. Six-way blade. We welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. It is shown by appointment only though. So please give us a call to get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. Delivery to your farm or job site is available. To get a hauling quote, fill out the form on our website. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. Hope it was beneficial to you and look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.